Point P is the center of the circle in the figure above. What is the value of x? So x is this angle here. We call this a central angle because it comes from the center. And as with all other geometry questions, to answer this, we have to focus on what's given and try to figure out what concept or theorem or postulate in geometry we can apply to help us solve this. So notice that we're given this angle here as 20 degrees. That's 20 degrees. If I extend this line all the way through, there is a theorem that talks about chords and the angles that they intercept. So focusing on that, take a look at the arc that is formed by this angle right here. And we learned that that concept says if this angle is 20, the arc that it's forming is going to be double. So this is 40 degrees. Now, we can actually do that for the other line as well. If you took line CP and you extend it all the way out, you will see that there's this arc that's formed right here. And because this angle is 20, that same rule applies. The arc compared to the angle that it comes from is double, so that's going to be 40 degrees also. Now the reason why this is important to us is we can see the measure for the arc from here all the way to here. Those two arcs combined equal 80 degrees. So we know that this whole arc right here is 80 degrees. Now, because of that, that arc comes from this central angle right here. We can tell that this line right here and this line right here give us this arc that is 80 degrees. Now, another rule reminded us that central angle equals the same exact angle as the arc. So we then can say that angle P is 80 degrees. Angle P and angle X are vertical angles, which means they're congruent. Therefore, we know that angle X must be 80 degrees. And that's the answer to this question.